Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Thank you and welcome to my officially YouTube channel. Me Mariam Sheikh, Muscat. Preparations of the construction work of the railway project linking the Sultanate of Oman and the United Arab Emirates have begun, confirmed engineer Abdul Rahman bin Salem Al Khatim, CEO or the Asad Group. In a statement to the Oman News Agency, the CEO of Asad Group said the railway network has been designed using innovative engineering solution to deal with the trend and climate condition. It will include two tunnels with a length of 2.5 kilometers each and 36 bridges. The height of some of them will reach 34 meters. He started that the project include passenger stations at Sohar and Al Alan. While freight stations will